Hey guys, what's up? I got a real quick video today. It's something I just picked up for the car, came in the mail earlier, and I want to show you guys real fast. It's kind of like midnight right now, but I got a car show in the morning I'm going to, so I'm making sure the car's looking all nice and clean. So let me bring you into the engine bay, and Dodge did a real nice job with the 6.4s and the Hellcats, making these engine bays look pretty good in my opinion. There's no real covering or anything like that over the engine. It's just you can pretty much see the engine, which is kind of rare these days. So everything looks good except this coolant reservoir. When they're brand new, of course they're pretty clear, and mine still is fairly clear, but it has over the course of a little over 2 years, it is yellowing a little bit. So I picked up something to kind of cover that, to kind of make the engine bay stay good, cleaner looking, nicer looking. So here, this is just something I just found out the other day, and when I checked it out I thought I'd give it an order and see how it is. So this is from JLT, which they make intakes and whatnot, but they also make they also make a cover for the coolant reservoir. So here it is. Trying to just kind of go over the top of it, and then you'll still be able to see from the side the your fill level, like what level you're at and whatnot. So came with an alcohol wipe, card, JLT Performance. And then, of course, no order is complete without a sticker. So let's go ahead and move everything out of the way. Just going to install this real quick because there's really not a whole lot to it, right? So on the back of this, or the inside of this, there's several different spots where there's some double-sided tape. So that's appreciated. You don't have to do that yourself. So what I'm going to do is just pull this cap off. Not sure if this American... I have never taken this cap off. Oh, got it. Okay. We're going to clean the surface with this alcohol wipe. Not sure where the adhesive strips are, but it's okay. Just get everything. So we have hopefully a good adhesion. And I'm just going to peel these off. Oh, they're Velcro. Okay, I'm still going to leave them like that. There's nothing on this side, so I guess perhaps it'll move a little bit. Put this lid back on. No, I don't like the way that's oriented. And that's it. So, kind of matches the other plastic in the engine bay. A little pricey for a piece of plastic, but yeah. If you're interested in one and don't want to pay the full price, wait for a holiday or something. They may have them on a better deal, but yeah, that looks good. So that pretty much this black matches fairly well with everything else. So that's it. So tomorrow, yeah, that's on there. That's good. So tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and go to a Cars and Coffee in Tampa, and that should just add a little bit extra. If there's any other chargers there, that maybe that'll set me off from the rest of the pack, just a little bit. So that's it. Alright, so that's all I had. That was just a quick video to just put that on real quick and show you guys what it looks like in the engine bay. And yeah, there's other ways to kind of cover up that area. You can get other covers besides these ones. You can paint that or hydro dip the reservoir, just get a new one when it gets yellow. But this seemed like the easiest, the quickest and cheapest way to get that done. So I thought I'd give it a shot and show you guys it. So that's all I got for right now. Make sure to check me out on Instagram, HotShot.Hemi, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.